What's going on, guys? JSGC Vlogs here, and we are here for another video. Today we're going to go and do the incredibly long 4-hour trek north of the border to Edinburgh. Never been to Edinburgh before in my life, so I'm looking forward to showing you around. Going to have a look at some of the things that we're doing. We're going up to the Dungeons, we're going to the Edinburgh Zoo, we're going to go and have a look on Victoria Street because we're big Harry Potter nerds as well. We're going to Hard Rock Cafe, which has been recommended to us as being one of, if not the best Hard Rock Cafe in the UK. Go and see the castle and all the sights and all there is to enjoy about Edinburgh. So I'm going to take you guys with me every single step of the way. So let's go and hop into the car. Let's go and start our incredibly long road trip up to Edinburgh. Right guys, we've made it to Edinburgh, up in Scotland, and the weather is proper Scottish, absolutely horrendous, with loads of rain. I'm hoping that's going to quieten down the crowd a little bit, is what I'm hoping for, so we're in a place called Oink, £6.80 it's cost me for a grunter, which looks delicious. It's pretty much just hog roast. I've got sage and onion because I bottled having haggis and barbecue sauce on there. I've also got a drink as well, which smells so good, so I'm going to try this and see how this tastes. That's good. That's really good. This in the background of me here is Edinburgh Castle, one of Edinburgh's most famous tourist locations and also one of its most famous landmarks as well. I am slightly puzzled why they'd have an England flag in a shop called the Scotland Shop. We are now off to the Edinburgh Dungeons. Heard good things. I can't film there unfortunately, so I will let you know in a bit what that was like, but let's go. Right, we've finished in the Dungeons here at Edinburgh. always recommended. The witches bit at the beginning is a unique experience. It's not an experience I've had before when visiting the dungeon, so I would recommend, as always, to go. So we've done Blackpool, we've done London, we've done Edinburgh, we've just got York's dungeons to go and do, and now we're just enjoying a drink. Something they have in Scotland that they don't have in England is, if you go to McDonald's, they have Iron Brew, one of my favourite drinks. Delicious. Just in Alchemist now in Edinburgh, and the guy very kindly let me shake my own drink, see how it tastes. It's a low alcohol, no alcohol drink, and that's very refreshing, very nice. That's the bubbly gum. Right guys, we are back at our hotel momentarily. We're staying at the Holiday Inn at Edinburgh City Centre. I'll show you around the hotel and all the things and everything in a bit. We're just having a quick rest here before we're going to go to Hard Rock Cafe. Now, Hard Rock Cafe was a recommendation to us. It was recommended by one of the waitresses at one of the London Hard Rock Cafes, who said that Edinburgh is their favourite in the UK. So it was like, right, well, we'll have to go and check it out and see if it is the UK's best Hard Rock Cafe. So that's where we're going for our tea today. So we'll see you at Hard Rock Cafe Edinburgh.
5 minutes later.
So I'm going for the starters, onto the wings, and the main going for the chicken tenders. We'll see how they taste. Sean's going for the starters for the onion ring tower, and then for her main she's going for the nachos, which is actually a starter, but she's using that for her mains, and having pulled pork on them as well, which was recommended. I think you've gone for the barbecue pulled pork, haven't you? Yeah. We've finished up in a Hard Rock Cafe in Edinburgh. In my opinion, cafe itself is very nice, arguably up there with one of the best in the UK. The food was okay, only okay in my opinion. Cost us £65 for our, well, 3 starters and a main and tip. The shop isn't brilliant here either, if I'm completely honest. The ones in London are bigger and better in my opinion. A nice meal, but nothing spectacular. So that concludes our, well, first day. We're going to go and head to the Edinburgh Zoo tomorrow, so I'll see you guys in the morning.
The next day.
Good morning everybody. Today is Zoo Day, but before we go there, I do want to show you around where we're staying during our stay in Edinburgh. So we're staying at the Holiday Inn Express Edinburgh City Centre. We've stayed at Holiday Inn Expresses before at Watford, which was incredibly nice, in London as well, which was also very nice. And so, based on the reputation of our previous stays at Holiday Inn, we decided to book this room. I will add, as a little disclaimer, the ones in London and the one at Watford was near enough double the price of what it was here at Edinburgh, and normally if you're paying double the price, you're going to expect, well, double the quality really. So let me show you around the room. Through here, it's card key operated. You got your thermostat, pop your key into there which will activate the lights. There's the room for you. Not the worst size room, not as big as our other Holiday Inn Express rooms that we've had as well. The bed's not as big as the beds that we've had at the other rooms either. But there we go. Got a hairdryer, storage room here, kettle, stuff for coffee and tea, plenty of towels, coat hangers, places to hang your coat, desk just over here with a television and chair. Got another chair over here with a dangling light. And if you just come over here, We all know me and plugs. I love plugs being next to the bed with USBs to be able to charge your phone. Got lights here which just operate the light here above the bed as well. Also got the bed. We have had a night's sleep on it. Not the comfiest bed in the world, not the biggest bed either. I still managed to get, what, 7 hours sleep on it, so not the worst either. Curtains darken out the room, which is great. We're at, what, about 8:15 in the morning, so we've got a bit of daylight here. So I'll just show you the view out of the room. It's a bit condensated, so I do apologise for that. Not really too much to look at. There's a really small car park here and a side street. That's pretty much it. Lastly, I'll take you into the bathroom. Light switch over here operates the bathroom, and also you can dim it out and have blue lights in the bathroom as well. Plenty of towels. I've had a shower in here. Not the worst shower, if I'm completely honest. Quite liked it. There's your shower. Got mirrors here. Again, condensators. I've just had a shower and sink. And the door, starting to become more and more common in hotel rooms, I find. The door here closes shut. If you open it up, leads to the bathroom to shut it there. And there you go, you get a separate area for the loo. There we go, that's the room. It's alright. Right, we're going to go and, we get free breakfast here, so we're going to go and try breakfast now, and we'll see what that's like. Once we've done that, it's checkout time, get back in the car, go and head to Edinburgh Zoo before ending the vlog and heading back home. It is a buffet breakfast in here, which you just go up and help yourself, which for COVID I thought was a thing of the past. Seems not. Breakfast done at the Holiday Inn Express. You get, like I said, a buffet service with bacon, sausages, beans, scrambled egg, selection of cereal, oats as well. You've also got some hot beverages, some cold beverages including orange juice and apple juice, as well as toast. And one of my favourite features, which you don't often get in some of the hotels, is when you get a hot drink, it's normally just in a cup. They also do takeout as well, so I can take that now on my drive with me to Edinburgh Zoo. So I'll see you for that.
1 hour later.
We've made it to the zoo. Cost us £19.95 if you book online. So let's go and have a look around. There's a meerkat.
Yeah, see if you understand.
Mating season. It stinks in here. This is one very uphill zoo.
He's moving his arms.
that's the best we'll get for views, as the hilltop viewing place that they have here is currently closed. So we're just on the bridge where you can find the zebras and you get a really nice view of all the hills, as Edinburgh's just more that way, so I'm not too sure if we'll be able to see that or not. We'll see.
She's a female.
Yeah. It's very cute.
And they're sniffing each other in the air, which is why they're both, why she's up here and he's at this side.
We've got two Sumatran tigers here, one male, one female. They've been introduced to each other, but they're in two different enclosures and they're pacing because they can smell each other.
Adolescence.
Are the popping bubbles?
That's us done at Edinburgh Zoo. My recommendation, come and have a look. It's a very good zoo. The pandas are here, I think, till 2023 were my highlight, as I've never seen a giant panda before, and there were two of them, so you can get really close to the pandas as well. We've got lots of interesting animals here for you to come and see, so my recommendation is, well, to come to Edinburgh Zoo and have a look. But we're going to go and take that 4-hour drive back home now, so I'll see you when I get home.
And if you hit the bottom, I'm going down with you. Let's take it slow. Who cares where we gotta be? You know you'll have a good time wherever you're with me. Let's take it.
So that, ladies and gentlemen, is the Edinburgh vlog all sorted. If you did enjoy the video, leave a thumbs up so I know that you enjoyed the video, and if you enjoyed these kind of trips and things like that, maybe we'll look to do more. So do let me know in the comments below of your thoughts, and do leave a thumbs up as well. Also, don't forget as well, if you're new around here, to subscribe. Press that red button, press the bell, and put your push notifications on. We're aiming for 500 subscribers, now over 300 subscribers, so any help towards that would be much appreciated. Also, don't forget as well that my social media links and all my other channels and everything, they're all in the description below. If you want to go and check them out, then please feel free. We'll be back again. I'm not too sure when, but we do have another trip coming up in the next couple of months where we're hoping, fingers crossed, all being well, we can get to France, and we're going to go and head to Paris once more with some videos out there. So hopefully, like I said, fingers crossed, that will happen. So I'll see you then. So I've been JSGC Vlogs. Thank you everyone for watching. I hope everyone is safe and well. Peace. Ciao for now.